Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings. Settings, please. Then go to the System section. Go to the Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, Gboard, Languages, Add Keyboard. And here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's pretty enormous. Let's select, for example, maybe Greek language, and then just tap Done. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.